Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is the motor out of a direct drive LG washing machine. Well, this is the motor, this is the tub, and this is the drum here. I've taken out the bolt that holds it all together, and the motor, I guess this is a stator unit. Is it? No, this is the bit that would rotate, so I don't know what you call it actually. This is the magnet part is removed, and then in here, this is the windings that get energized with some kind of a wave that reacts with the magnets and moves it along, moves the drum along, causes it to rotate. So I want to take this apart. The idea is that I might reuse this for something, not sure what, but for that I would need a shaft and some kind of a housing. So the plastic would be the housing to hold the motor together, and you'd need that because that's what it screws to, or else you'd have to print up or machine out something. What I thought was I could unscrew this spider, take it out, and then use the drum as a fire pit, perhaps. So let's do that. I think it just looks like 10 millimeter. It just looks like 10 millimeter bolts that are holding it all together here. Let's see if it'll come off easily. These appear to be stainless, and they're usually quite hard to get out. Yeah, that's not going to be easy. Ah, dear, it slipped there, hit my knuckle. Peeled all the skin off it. So let's try it with a socket. It's a bit of better depth on it, maybe. It's just wringing it off. That's bizarre. So you've got stainless steel into that aluminium. Oh, I can feel it. Something happening there. Let's get it down like that. I think it's just going to shear. Oh, maybe not. It's incredibly stiff. There's some kind of glue or Loctite on the end of it, by the looks of it. Something red there. Even at that, you can't unscrew it via your fingers. It looks to be a 6mm, or not, it looks to be a 10mm head on it. That's where I hit my thumbnail there. But an 8mm thread, so it's more work to get it off. Let's see if I can get this one out as well. Now, so we're just left with that one that I cheesed over at the beginning. How to get it off. It just keeps jumping off now. Sometimes these guys can do a good job. Let's see how we go. I really just need to get a start on it. Oh dear, nothing gonna do on that. Just drill it out, maybe. Stainless steel. Yeah, I think I'll get a grip on it this way. Nope. Right. Drill it out. Gone down to a smaller drill bit. Right, bigger drill, bigger bit. Turn the speed down. Maybe not. Let's turn it back up. Now I've got a screwdriver. Getting nowhere. So you can drill out the top. You can't seem to drill out the bottom. We're not far off it now. Okay, that's made some good progress there with this drill. So that's a little special drill for drilling stainless steel. Put that big bit back in it again. We're not far off it. Need a 10mm bit now, I think. Maybe we could try this bit again. Hard to know. Hard to know. Let's see what the vice grips do to it. Oh, I need a bigger bit. Let's go all the way up to a 1/2 inch bit and see if we can get it into the drill. Just about. Right, nearly there. Something's going red hot there. It's the tip of my drill bit. That's dead. Right, cold chisel. Oh, 10 minutes of bashing away at this nonsense. Right. Gone. Don't know where it went. It's on the floor somewhere. I think I heard it return to land. So then, with a crowbar, we should be able to pop this out. Should be. That's it. Damaged the tub somewhat, but it's a fire pit. That's all you can expect. There's a bit of a stick. Some other crap stuck in there. Kind of gross. But that's the real world. Whenever you try and get something out and it won't come out, you've got to drill it out. Let's have a look at these bearings while we're here. So there's the bearings. That one feels a little crunchy. There should be a water seal there, which is kind of irrelevant now. And then a bearing in here. It feels okay. Black grease, lovely. Pretty filthy in there in that washing machine. There's stickers and whatnot stuck in there. Like that's all sticker. That's a bandage. It's fucking gross. Oh, buddy. But this is if you haven't used a machine for a while. This all dries out, and then whenever you come to use it again, this all falls down and makes everything really dirty. It's never going to have water in it again. Mostly because I've thrown away the front half of the tub, but let's fit this back in here. I think it suits me to leave it like that for the moment in the plastic until I figure out what I'm doing with it. Because if you were to turn it on or get it to go somehow, wouldn't be good. I've seen people use these for e-bikes and stuff like that, and that's not immediately my plan, but meant to be good for generators as well. Now let's turn that up. I'm holding it on the inside as well. It's on tight. So that's me separating the tub and the drum on this LG motor, and maybe I'll play with that in a future video. And there we go, that's quite a big fire pit. The last thing to do on this is to unscrew a couple of screws here. 3 screws, I presume there's 3 paddles. And then pop those paddles out, and there's little tabs to do that. So these little tabs here need to be prised up. A little flat bladed screwdriver will take care of that. Oh, that should slide out. There you go. Just like that. And we have yet another washing machine drum fire pit. I can't really think of anything else to use these for, but they must be good for something. Little garden incinerator, it's kind of the same thing really. Alright, it's nice and clean, that one. Any comments, leave them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you later. Like and subscribe if you feel like it. Bye now.